Fresh flowers, a gift from nature. If pearl and jewel are priceless material gift, then fresh flower are priceless gift of the soul. Fresh flower are natural work of art with delicate and graceful beauty, regardless of the delicate flower of rose or the freshness and generous of daisy, the purity from white baby flower or the peaceful from the wavy leaf sea lavender. All of them bring charm and vitality to our living space. The beauty of flowers can have a positive effect on your mood, help you become excited, love life, and full of energy. Placing a vase of fresh flower in your home can reduce fatigue and stress. Enjoy exquisite moment of relaxation with fresh flower and gentle music. Immersing yourself in a space full of colorful flower and sweet fragrance. You will feel wonderful relaxation in your soul. Paula Cole once said, "We can find joy in the simplest thing, like looking at a fresh flower." I wish that you have a beautiful day full of positive energy and happy day. Salam.